Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Skating Too Fast, and my website is greenflagstock.com. Today we got a MARX. I know it's hard to see, but this is a MARX and Company wind-up train. I do believe it's O gauge. Okay, and there is scratch, dents, dings, missing paint, etc. And I do believe that there's a little bit taller smokestack that is missing. Okay, it does work. On the track it works better, but you can see it does run. I was thinking these were replacement screws, but it looks like on other ones they are factory. Okay, I don't know a whole lot. I'm not an expert on these, but looks good. Thanks for watching. Check out my other stuff at greenflagstock.com. Have a great day.